Girl, that thing is busted. I'm talking finger licking, good thing you was made for me. It ain't even all the way in, and you're looking like you can't take any more right now. Knock, knock, who's there? Girl, let me in. We only on round 10, and I'm tryna give it to you again. Pulling your hair, bring it over to this mirror so I can see your legs trembling. I got it so well, easily. That shit just like a pool, let me swim in it. And when we're all done, fall asleep with me.